I'm not the father, bro. I'm telling you, bro. She keep coming to my house every day, knocking. Every fucking day, knocking on my door. I don't know why she keep coming my door and shit, bro. I told her that I'm not the father, and this bitch don't listen to me, ma. She don't listen to me, man. So I'm just here to tell myself what it is. So I ain't the father, ma. She fucked Pookie, she fucked the Real, the JJ, Day. That bitch was getting it in. And she think I'm the father? Hell no, ma. I ain't the father at all, Mar. I never been the father of that bitch. I never been the father of that bitch. That bitch. That bitch. That bitch.
That ain't my baby, dog. That ain't my baby, Maury. I don't know what she told you. That's not what she told me. That ain't my baby, dog. You ain't my baby. Don't listen to that trash. It's trash talk. Alright, first of all, nigga, this nigga eyes is like some green and brown and shit, nigga. I'm 100% nigga, Maury. It don't look like me, Maury. Nigga don't look like me, man. Nigga look mad foreign, Maury. That ain't my baby. That ain't my baby, nigga. 100% nigga, real made. Straight out the hood, nigga. Yeah, nigga. That ain't my baby, Maury. Fuck too many niggas, Maury. Too many niggas. Tron, Darrell, Tyrone, Maurice, she even fuck Ralph. Ralph, Maury. No, ain't my baby.
Hey, Maury, man. I ain't fuck that bitch, man. You know, fucking other hoes. She asked to fuck, but I ain't fuck her, you know. But truth is, I ain't had sex in years. So any of you females out there on the Maury show that's trying to fuck, I got you. Hey man, yeah, I'll be over there later, man. I'm on the Maury show trying to get this paper, man. This big line open and shit, but yeah, I'm gonna call you back, man. I ain't fuck that bitch, man. And that bitch can suck my dick, man. And that's on you. Alright, Maury, man. I ain't fuck that bitch, man. You know, I'm over here stressed for no fucking reason. I come over here to get paid, man. That bitch done fucked all them randomized bum niggas, you know. And me, she just a nigga she wish she would've fucked, you know. I know I got some good dick, her sister told me. Shit, man, fuck that bitch, man.